Do you want to automate extraction of delivery dates from order confirmations sent by your suppliers? Here's how to do it. Once you're already in the Extract AI app, you click on Create a Template. Give your template a name so you will be able to recognize it later. In the next step, define the fields you would like to extract from the example. You can match the content and structure to the one from your ERP or CRM system, such as customer company name, order number, SKU code, unit price, quantities, and delivery dates. You can extract arbitrary number of quantities and delivery dates as communicated by your supplier. Once you have checked your template is in order, you can proceed to save it. Use a unique email address for forwarding customer emails or purchase orders to Extract AI app. You will get the extracted data, structured as defined in the template, sent to your email address. You can also find all your extractions in Downloads or Extractions tab, where you can export them. It is also possible to send the extracted data using an API. Click the link in the bio to start now.